Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the November installment of the Pinspiration collaboration that is hosted by Creations by Kimber. I will put the link down below for all the other crafty ladies who are participating in this collaboration. We do this collaboration once a month at the end of the month, the last Saturday, and we pick a pin that we have put on one of our Pinterest boards that we have been wanting to make. So the one that I have made for today is this really cute little paper mug that you can use to give as like a hostess gift or little party favors, but it's super cute. This is probably around 3 inches tall, so it's like a little mini mug. And I put in some wrapped Rolos in there and a little candy cane, but you could put any kind of wrapped candies in there, or money, I suppose, a gift card, whatever. But it's just an adorable little mug, and I thought I would do a tutorial for you. It doesn't take very long at all, so stick around if you'd like to see how I made this cute little mug. So the first thing you will need is a piece of paper that is 9 inches by 4.5 inches. And you will take it to your scoring board and you will score it at every inch. So at 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you're going to turn it once, so your short side is up at the top, and you're going to score it at 1.5 inches. Now, taking a pair of scissors, you're going to cut each little tab at the bottom from the bottom up to that 1.5 inch score mark that you made. So we'll just go ahead and do that. This paper that I'm using came from the Holiday Bash Hot Buy that was from Michael's this year. It's super cute. I'll show that pad to you here in a second. It's just turquoise and pink colors, and I just love it. So now you won't need one end of this. You will need to cut, you can cut this tab off here and then cut this at an angle, because this is the tab that you need to glue the mug together in a circle. So now what you want to do is go ahead and fold on all your scores with the right side on the outside, of course. Or this would be great if you had double-sided paper, but I didn't have any Christmas double-sided paper left over. So now what you want to do is put some glue on this tab right here. I just used tacky glue. Tacky glue is my glue of choice, but you can use score tape or whatever you have in your stash, and then just put your other end on there and line it up at the top and along this seam here. Let that dry for a couple seconds. And now you just need to glue these pieces together. I would fold one end in like that, because now you're just going to start layering all of these tabs onto that one. So I just went around with my glue and just put glue on the very edge of all of them. I did it all at one time. except for that one you have folded in. Now just go one by one and press your tabs in like that. This is a really fast and easy little party favor. And you kind of want to adjust it so it makes a nice little geometric little circle there. I don't know how many sides is one. I guess it's 8 sides. Oops, because it kind of moves a little bit until the glue's intact. You want to stick your finger inside and kind of push it. Kind of hold it there for a few seconds. Now if you wanted to cut a circle out to cover this bottom part, you can. I didn't do that, but you could. Okay, so you have that piece down. I'll leave that there. Now you need a 2-inch circle with another like 1.5-inch circle cut out in the middle. I used my Creative Memories circle cutting system, but you can trace different circles, print out circles online and use that as a template. But that's what you need. So I'm going to take this to my trimmer and trim it right in half. I'm going to line it up here in between. It's approximately 2 inches. It's a little bit over. Line it up there right in the middle and slice. Now bring your scoreboard back over here. And line up the 2 ends on the side there. And score it at that 1/8 of an inch on both of those ends. And do that on both your little half circles. Alright, and that is it for that part. Now fold these 2 little tabs on both of your sides here. And then the side that is facing this opposite side here, these 2 sides, glue those together. Makes sense. I don't know how to describe that, but so that these tabs are facing away. I'm going to glue those 2 sides together so your tabs are folded out on the bottom. Just get it lined up. And let that dry for a little bit. In the meantime, I stamped this image on white cardstock. I had this in my stash in Merry Christmas. And then I just went ahead and cut a piece that borders it to layer it on top. Excuse me. So I'm just gonna glue that down on top of the turquoise paper. Pick it up off the floor here, or the table. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue this on here. You can add whatever embellishments you want to this. I'm just making them simple. You could add some trim or whatever, rhinestones. Now, take your handle here and put some glue on those flaps that you folded over. And you're just going to glue this to the side of your mug. You want to press from the inside as well for a few seconds till it holds on there. All right, so now your little mug is ready and you can fill it. So I have these little glassine bags. I think they're actually photo sleeves, but I picked them up at the Daiso store. And they're the perfect size to fill candies in. So I have my little bag of Rolos here. I'm gonna put a few of them in. And then before I tie it up, I want to put it down inside just to make sure I need to adjust it. Down in there. If you need to add a few more in, you can. Now I just have some ribbon that is from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna tie a double knot around with the ribbon, and my little tiny mug will be ready to go. Trim this a little bit. Like that, and then I have a little candy cane I'm going to stick in there. Now, something that you could do that would be really cute for this is to get some hot chocolate packet mixes, and you could put the hot chocolate mix either into one of these bags, like take it out and put the mix down in the bottom, and then add some marshmallows on top of it so you could see the marshmallows at the top of the bag, and then add a candy cane in there, and that would be super cute. Of course, I couldn't drink out of this mug, but it would just be a really cute presentation anyways. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go ahead and check out all the other crafty ladies in this Pinspiration collaboration, and we will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.